Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can do channel scan on your Roku TV. So make sure to turn your TV on and watch this video till the end if you want to find the right solution. So as you can see, this is the community.roku.com. So basically this is their official help website, and here is the new scan for live TV channels, and this is the guy community moderator who has given the answer to this question. So these are the people basically hired by the Roku TV. So they are available for all the questions that are asked by the people. So here is the process that you must follow. First of all, go to the settings, and once you're into the settings, you will be able to see this option called TV, and go into the TV and into inputs. So first of all, make sure to go choose this right path, settings, TV and inputs, and once you're into the inputs, then scroll down and navigate live TV. In the input, you will be able to find this option called live TV, and once you click on live TV, select scan for channels, and once you scan for channels and proceed to start finding channels, you just simply click on scan channels and it will automatically start finding new channels. So this might take a while, and after that you will be able to find the new channels here, and this is the scanning process of the Roku TV. So make sure to follow this step by step and you will be able to find the new channels on the Roku TV. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.